She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah.
Back again, Healthy Living with Ms. Renee, the barber. Now in today's video, we will be making Crockpot freezer meals. Oh yeah, it's still Crockpot season. Crocktober 2021. Now the first thing we need to do is make our grocery list of items that we do not have at hand. We will be making 5 chicken freezer meal preps recipes ready for the crock pot. Perfect for you and your family. And all these 5 recipes are healthy, quick, and easy peasy. Each recipe is packed with flavor and only takes less than 1 hour prep time. I want a healthy meal and I don't feel like preparing it, and that's when I rely on my freezer meals. Checking it twice. Alright, so now we're ready when we go to the grocery store. Alright, now let's prep our bags. We're going to need gallon-sized bag to hold all of our ingredients for our meal prep. The first thing we need to do is label to make sure you'll know what's in this bag. With any freezer meal, there are only 4 steps: prep, freeze, thaw, cook. The goal is to prep the meal ahead of time to make dinner easy as possible when you're ready to cook. It is important to date your bag and to name the recipe on the freezer bag using a Sharpie. When you're ready to cook, follow the instructions that you have written on the bag. And then when it's fully cooked, serve with your favorite sides and our special instructions. Remove the chicken when fully cooked and shred. That's it. Alright, so we're going to make some barbecue. Let's get ready for the meal prep on this freezer meal. Now we have it labeled, the barbecue chicken. This freezer meal is so simple. So all we're going to do now, we have our chicken, which has been cubed. We're not even going to season it. We're just going to dump it in. And then we have our, okay, this is no sugar added, Sweet Baby Ray's. So we open our Baby Ray's and we just squirt the whole bottle in. Alright, so this was, what is that, 18 fluid ounces. I want to make sure all of it's in there. And that was 2 chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That's it for that meal. We take it off the stand. I'm just going to squeeze it up a little bit. Just like that. And that is our chicken, barbecue chicken. Now, you can leave it flat just like this. It's easy in your freezer, right? You can just stack your meals up. But when you get ready to cook it now in the crock pot, it's going to be hard. But if you can kind of freeze it up like that, I think it would be better for the crock pot when you get ready to cook it. Alright, so all we do to that, and then we put it in the freezer. It's good for 3 months. Now, like I said, when we take it out, special instructions, shred the chicken, make a great shredded chicken barbecue sandwich. Alright, now let's move on to our next freezer meal prep. Our next one will be, we've got chicken, enchilada, casserole. Now, special instructions.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirlooms. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirlooms. Calculating all the aftermath. Now when nemesis, a menace in my mind, but protagonist in all my drink, concealing all my doubts. I need healing in this drought. I've been singing to the ceiling, learning how to live with doubt. But I hear you calling my name, the feelings we couldn't contain, falls that we had were made. There really no one to blame. My ashes that came from blame. I trust you, but I was raised. If I could, I call you, I tell you I need you. I wouldn't know what else to say. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirlooms. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom.
We have our date, our title, and our special instructions, which is to add 1 cup of water, cook 3 to 4 hours in your slow cooker, crock pot on high. That last hour, we're going to add 1 cup of cheese and 1 cup of tortilla chips. Once it's fully cooked, we're going to serve by topping it with our favorite toppings. Sour cream, guacamole, you name it. Alright, so let's go ahead and assemble it. Alright, first thing we always do is add our meat in first. The chicken has already been cubed to bite-sized pieces. Dump it in there. Then we're going to put in our peppers, our yellow and green peppers. They've been sliced. Pinto beans. This is 1 cup of pinto beans. 1 cup rice. This is minute rice. A small onion. It's chopped. Garlic clove. 1 garlic clove. We're going to season with a package of sazon. Thank you, Norma. Norma gave me these packets. Ooh. Let's pour that in there. 1 cup of enchilada sauce. So now we take it off the stand. Remember to get all the air bubbles out. Look at that. Alright, so let's get all the air bubbles out. Remember, it's best to leave it up like that, so when we sit it in the crock pot. I hope you have room in your freezer for that. So on to our next one. This one is chicken noodle soup. We're going to add 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. We're going to cook 3 to 4 hours on high. Last 10 minutes, we're going to add the noodles. Chicken has already been cubed. 1 cup of celery. Carrots, 1 cup. 1 cup of onions. That's white onion. 2 cloves of garlic. 3 sprigs of thyme. And 3 sprigs of rosemary. Last, 1 package of Italian seasoning. And place it in the freezer. This one is black bean chicken chili. Instructions: cook low 4 to 5 hours. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, and comment. Alright, now this time our chicken is ready. I did not cube it. It's just going to go in there. That is 1.5 pounds of chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're going to add 1 cup of black beans, 2 garlic cloves, and we will add in our base. And we can make our chili and serve it over whatever rice, or just, hey, have it by itself. All right, so let's put this in the freezer. This one is honey garlic chicken. Special instructions. I'm gonna cook for 3 to 4 hours on high. 10 minutes before fully cooked, we're gonna add half a tablespoon of cornstarch in. You're gonna whisk it and then let it cook for another 10 minutes and allow it to thicken. Now this meal you can serve with mashed potatoes or side of green beans, whatever your favorite vegetables may be. All right, let's prep this freezer meal. First, let's prepare our apples. You can peel the apple if you like, or leave the skin on. Up to you. These are gala apples. It's our chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It's just 1 pound. We'll put our 2 apples in. Put in a 1/4 cup of honey. A 1/4 cup of honey. 3 cloves of garlic. A 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. All right, so let's seal it up. It's ready. There we are. All right, so now you have your 5 freezer meals prepped, ready to be cooked. And you can eat them every day of the week, or once a week. Just take one out once a week. All right, now the holidays are coming and we're going to be shopping. And I'm going to tell you right now, when I go shopping, when I come home, I want a home cooked meal. But I will be too tired from all that shopping. So that's when I'm going to use my freezer meals. Enjoy.
Yeah. Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need a plan B, about to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak, make me wanna sing.